Today, we are going to learn about how to determine and shade the region that satisfies a linear inequality. In the previous lesson, we have learned about the points that lie on the straight line satisfy the equation y is equal to mx plus c. Points located in the region above the straight line satisfy the inequality y is greater than mx plus c. Points located in the region below the straight line satisfy the inequality y is less than mx plus c. Now we are going to learn about what is the relationship between a point on the Cartesian plane with the inequalities. Look at diagram 4. If the inequality sign is greater than or less than, the straight line is drawn using dashed line. Look at diagram 5. The inequality sign is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to. The straight line is drawn using a solid line. And for y less than mx plus c or y greater than mx plus c, the region do not include points that lie on the straight line y is equal to mx plus c. So the point on the straight line not included. Now look at example 5. Shade the region that represent each of the following inequalities. A. Y is greater than 2 over 3x plus 2. The sign is greater than. So we shade the region above the straight line. B. Y is less than or equal to x minus 1. The sign is less than or equal to, so we shade the region below. C. Y is less than 1. The sign here is less than, so we shade the region below the straight line. D. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 2. The sign here is greater than or equal to, so we shade the region above the straight line. E. X is less than negative 3. The sign is greater than, so we shade the region on the right. F. Y is greater than negative 2. The sign is greater than, so we shade the region above the straight line. Example 6. Draw the graphs and shade the region that represent each of the following inequalities. A. Y is less than or equal to 2x plus 3. First, we construct the table. Next, we plot the point negative 2, negative 1, and 2, 7, and join them with a solid line. Lastly, we shade the region below the straight line because the inequality sign is less than or equal to. B. Y is greater than x plus 5. First, we construct a table. Next, we plot the point 0, 5 and negative 5, 0 join the points with a dashed line because the sign here is greater than. And lastly, we shade the region above the straight line. C. Y is less than or equal to 2x. First, construct the table. Next, plot the point -2, -4, and 2, 4. Join this point using a solid line. Then shade the region below. D. X minus y is greater than 4. For these questions, we have to rearrange the inequalities. So the inequalities will become y is less than x minus 4. So based on this inequality, we construct a table, plot the points 0, -4, and 4, 0, join them with a dashed line, and shade the region below the straight line. Okay, we shade the region based on these inequalities. Y is less than x minus 4. E. Y is greater than or equal to 0. So we have to draw the line y is equal to 0, which is the x-axis, and shade the region above the straight line. F. X is less than 4. So we have to draw the straight line x equal 4. A vertical line which passes through x-axis at 4. Then we shade the region on the left because the inequality sign is less than. We have learned how to determine and shade the region that satisfy a linear inequalities. Now try self-practice 6.1c on your own. That's all for today. Thank you.